There he goes. Hey, hey, hey.
There he goes. That was only 10 seconds. You like it where it doesn't turn?
No, he likes to be able to turn it. That's how it works at Miss Jan's house.
This was all learned at Miss Jan's house.
Look at that guy go. Nathan, that is awesome. Hey, hey.
Turn him around.
Yeah. Back it up, back it up.
He's in the bedroom now.
There you go.
Here he comes one last time.
There you go.
Way to go, pedaling your tricycle.